Nemo follows much and much more. So in this day, we got 15 days, 15 videos in one day. So let's start our video. So if we got like 650 subscribers, after 650 there will be daily 10 videos. So let's start our video. First of all, what I will do here, I am going to tell you that what we are going to do in 15 videos. Video number 1 is going to be the hamburger menu in 3 ways. Simply, you have to come here in the desktop and then you have to create here a new folder that will be 3 types of hamburger menu. I had created here and it's empty. It's loading. Okay. Empty folder you can see. If I click it and open with my VS Code like this, so we will be able to write the code in our folder. The 3 types of hamburger menu will be look like this. First of all, that will come from here, left, and then right, and then top. Let's go. Close the welcome page and create here index.html. Wait, right here the doc type and right here first type of hamburger menu. Right here the style sheet and right here the script sheet. After writing these all, we will be able to add more things. There could be an button on click on. Function on. Function on will be having property of let and equal to document dot query selector. And then write a ham dot style dot width. First of all, left. Wait. Let's have a dot the query selector document get element by the ID. Like this, and ham dot style dot left equal to 0. And right here in the style sheet. What? Hash m equal to position absolute. Left will be nothing. And there will be height 100%. Top 0 pixels. Background pink. And there will be one more thing. Width of 300 pixels. First of all, we will see the page, how it looks like. It's looking like this. Left will be 0. Let's type for it minus 900. It's gone now. And wait. They will be off. Create here button, class on, click on and button open. Dot on float right. When we click to the open, they will be it. Add a transition like this. So if I come here and show you that what we can do, one more thing. First of all, duplicate it. Minus 900 again. The buttons work, other one work too. Simply copy the whole page and create here one.html. Paste these all and simply not top, not left, the top. Top minus 900 and left. Now if I go live, wait for the result. There we go. So if we want to do the width 100%, we can do it too. Like this. There is one more, the right one. The top will go, not the top that will be right. Top will be not, there will be the right 100%. Save it. And there will be one more thing, top 0. Wait, go live from here. And you can write here one more thing. What? Body overflow hidden. Like this. Okay, minus 1900 will be fine. There you go. So that was the first video. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.